Good day, ma'am. My name is Hanija Libero.
I'm Liselda Castellano. I'm Jocelyn G. Cali.
And my name is Clark Justin Hisusco.
We're here to present our concept paper in microeconomics, which titled Effects of Road Project to the Commuters in the Province of Biliran. First, rationally. Infrastructure in the transportation pieces of the global landscape underscores its broad role in the realizing in economic growth and special progress.
Next is objective objective of the study. Next, theoretical framework. Using two widely known theories of a stronger framework that can be utilized in the analysis of the economic impact of road project on commuters in Biliran province. The present study employed transportation, economics, and human capital theory. While the theories differ, they are also complementary and form a total lens of analysis of the complex interplay between infrastructure, development, travel behavior, and outcomes. Basically, a comprehensive review of related literature of studies is supposed to open up these theories and their applications for further exploration. The conceptual framework. The paper employed an dependent variable model that undertakes the economic impacts of road project on Biliran province commuters. The conceptual framework used in the paper portrays that hypothesis linkage between the independent variables.
Next is review of related literature and related studies. This review of related literature and studies considers the economic impacts of transportation infrastructure projects with respect to their influence on commuters based on K theoretical framework. Impact of infrastructure on travel behavior and commuting costs. A a substantial body of research emphasized the relationship between transportation infrastructure and travel patterns.
Chapter 2 Research Methodology. This study will follow up a quantitative research design on infrastructure, development, travel behavior, and economic outcomes. The data will be obtained using structured surveys and interviews concerning commuting cost, time of its type, time of travel, and productive capacity in the economy. Research environment. The study will be conducted in Barangay Libtong and Villa Consuelo, Naval Biliran Province, which is located in the Eastern Visayas region of the Philippines. Research respondents. This study will target commuters who regularly travel within Biliran Province.
Research instrument.
Research instrument. The The data for this study will be gathered mostly through structured survey questionnaires. These questionnaires developed from existing validated tools and reviewed by experts for content validity. Statistic, Statistical treatment. Descriptive statistic will be used to analyze the quantitative data. They will express in mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and frequency distribution. Econometric model. This model attempts to measure the level of road development versus commuters' economic productivity. This model shows there are various and dependent variables that affect productivity model. Proposed instrument. This methodology will provide an all-around framework investigating any economic impact of the road development projects on commuters in Biliran province. Thank you.